Oh my god.
So we've seen butterfly resin tops, but this is a bow butterfly resin top.
I love a good resin top. So when I saw this bow butterfly resin top,
It's a UV reactive dress. Let's style this UV reactive dress. It has the same pink iridescent look with all these gold accents. She just overbrushed it with pearly pink dye to go with the details, and it feels like jelly. Truly like jelly.
Psst, it's me. Hi, friend. I've missed you.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below.
Hello everybody, so today we're going to talk about copying versus inspiration versus coincidence, and we're going to look at content thieves as we decorate my clay jars. So let's get right into it.
I shouldn't be doing this. It's more attention. That's what she wants. But I have to rant. She's bugged, but she's gonna watch this on her own.
So let me bring you up to speed. This is Taylor, and she's complaining that Yuyi has been copying / stealing her content.
Account. So hi, this girl has built an entire platform off of copying other people, not like taking inspo from someone. No, I mean like actually copying people, and I'm the main target. Yay. Let me show you what I mean. So we've seen butterfly resin tops, but this is a bow butterfly resin top.
I love a good resin top. So when I saw this bow butterfly resin top,
It's a UV reactive dress.
let's style this UV reactive dress.
Hold up. So Taylor made a heart shape using the UV light, and Yuyi couldn't think of any other shape, like a star, an oval, a square. It just had to be a heart shape, and with a butterfly top. Okay, could be a trend, but why? Just why?
It feels like jelly. Actually like jello. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Saying the same words, the mannerisms. It's so creepy.
Yep, that's straight copying, and it's the part where she says, "Papa, Papa." I'm like, why? Just why? And the fact that she didn't just copy one trend. It seems like she goes to this Taylor's account and is like, what has she posted today? Yep, I'm getting that. Yep, we're doing this. Where is the creativity? Where?
I'm about to be so petty and I've never done something like this before.
Welcome to another DIY drama. So this is Tay. Actually, her full name on TikTok is Taybeepboop, but I'm going to butcher that, and something in my mind wants to say poop, so I'll just keep it at Tay. So this is Tay, and she makes all this DIY stuff. Not more of a minimalist DIY. So she makes these very unique interior decor DIYs. Then we have another creator called Kaarin. So Kaarin takes inspiration from Tay and recreates her own. From my own opinion, it's different, but let's watch.
But there is a large creator who it's just getting out of hand. So this is my mossy mirror that I made, and immediately she makes this, which is like fine. That's what the coincidence, whatever. I have this green squiggle art gallery, and now she does too. The difference is she's hanging something else, so that's different. That's creative. But she's also ripping off my boyfriend's art. So that's my boyfriend's art. I have a monster head art gallery. He makes monster heads. They're so realistic and beautiful. This is her version. This is her monster head art gallery.
Miss Tay. Those wall sculptures are different. Your boyfriend's sculptures are realistic, while Kaarin's sculptures are not realistic. How is that coping?
Then I painted my room green and blue. They're very abnormal color choices, and I got a lot of hate for it, but I really love it, and I spent months choosing the colors. Look at what colors she's doing for her kitchen, and she's painting her appliances. So that's just like another weird coincidence.
But at least you got that one right. Color combinations are not copied. You can't say that you're the first person to mix or have a combination of blue and green. It's been there since forever. So next.
I also created a gradient room where my whole room is gradients, and then she decided to make an ombre room. Strange coincidence.
Okay. So here's the thing. I think when it comes to DIYs, when you tell your audience, I want to show you how to decorate your space, then you show them the type of materials you use, where to get them, and the entire process. If your audience decides to recreate the same or tweak it a little bit, then that's not copying, because you've already given the rights, your intellectual rights, to the audience. But I feel like she has a personal beef with Kaarin because, ta-da! Kaarin and Beep have the same number of followers. They both have 1.9 million followers. And I'm so sure there are other creators who get inspiration from Tay. But Tay feels like Kaarin is going to surpass her and gain a lot of followers. And this doesn't sit well with her. So if you ask me, that is the reason why she's feeling kinda icky. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you think Tay is right or wrong? I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in purchasing any of my spice jars, please visit my shop link in the description below. And if you are interested in any other personalized spice jars, please hit me up. You can visit my shop or my Instagram link, and I'll see you in the next video.